Compostable hanging zipper barrier bags by ClearBags are retail-ready and eco-friendly. Each bag features a polylactic acid or PLA resealable zipper to easily protect and display your product in retail settings. These bags are heat-sealable, certified compostable, and come with tear notches for easy opening after purchase. Perfectly packaged sweet treats, candles, cosmetic products, spices, mixes, craft supplies, pet treats, supplements, and more. Available in multiple sizes and 2 colors, these food-safe bags are made from PLA material featuring a high-barrier ALOX coating. The clear front panel shows off your product while keeping it protected. A 1/4 inch round hang hole and strong side seams make these bags perfect for retail. Be compostable with compostable hanging zipper barrier bags by ClearBags.